The doorbell camera caught the fall of the year. Everything looks completely normal. Then, disaster strikes. They lose their balance, and the sandals go flying. Not the flip-flops, too. The fall was so hard.
You're just waiting for someone to answer the door. He rings the doorbell. Now it's just a waiting game. Everything seems perfectly normal. Then, a bird has other plans. Splat. Right on his head. Talk about the worst timing possible.
What the fuck happened to you?
Bro got hit by an airstrike. The bird's aim is actually unbelievable. The doorbell camera caught everything. You couldn't script this any better.
A stranger relentlessly pounds on a family's front door, demanding they leave their own home. But who is this woman, and what sinister motives drive her to such madness?
What do you want?
I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
Why? What happened?
Answer the door.
What happened?
Answer the door.
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
Is something
Yes.
wrong? Well, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem pretty
door.
angry. I really don't want to open the door, unless you calm down.
Open the door. I'm sorry. Who are you?
Can you just tell me if something went wrong or
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is something wrong.
Made you angry.
Who are you?
Well, can you tell me what?
You're the mother of this house?
I'm the mother of this house.
Great. Well, we've never met, so let's meet. If your cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do, I'm going to get the police involved because I am fed up. My son is very allergic to cats. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house. Keep your cat. It's your cat. I've already met your husband about it. It's your cat. Yes, you do, and you don't keep any of them inside. Keep your cat inside. Your orange cat. If you would open the door, I can show you. Your cat doesn't get to come to my house either. But you know what? That's fine. We can go ahead and get the police involved. That's totally fine.
As the night
Tonight's dinner has other plans. This guy's chasing a chicken, but the chicken is way faster than expected. Look at it go! Bro is giving it everything he's got. Meanwhile, the chicken is running like it owes money. The oldest prank in history. A kid walks up to the front door. Acts like nothing's suspicious. Then, ding dong! Everything looks normal. Then, the package starts flying. Fragile? Apparently not. Bro delivered it with pure confidence. He walks up with the package, then looks straight at the doorbell camera, and flashes a big smile. You can't leave anything outside anymore. A woman walks up to the front porch, looks around, then spots the decoration. She picks it up, and just walks away with it. Not the porch decor, too. Packages weren't enough. Now the decorations aren't safe either. At this rate, people are going to decorate the inside instead. The doorbell camera caught the whole thing. Bold move. He walks up to the front door, rings the bell, then waits. 5 seconds. Still nothing. It's the middle of the night, and this guy suddenly takes off running. The delivery driver walks up. Everything looks perfectly normal. Then, he launches the package. You were just trying to play with your dog.
Oh my
Everything
God.
starts off nice and friendly.
No one prepared you.
They're just
What you
having
do
fun.
with packets?
Then the dog
This is
shifts
not how I wanna
into
go
full
out,
turbo
Bro.
mode. Bro took the game way too seriously. 1 second she's standing, the next she's on the ground. That tackle came out of nowhere. The dog definitely understood the assignment, just a little too well. Golden Retriever energy, 100%. Self-control, 0%. He lays down to rest, but refuses to let go of her hoodie, just in case she tries to escape. Bro said, "You're not going anywhere." Maximum security mode activated. Mission accomplished. The grip never loosens. He's relaxing, but he's still keeping watch.
The doorbell camera captures the disturbing sight of armed suspected burglars at the front door of a Covina home. The footage is a harrowing reminder that danger can strike at any moment, even in the supposed safety of our own homes. Watch as the unnerving events unfold, and witness the terrifying encounter that will send shivers down your spine. Despite being repeatedly ignored and denied entry, these brazen criminals refuse to give up, continuously knocking on the door and attempting to gain access to the Covina home. Their relentless efforts, coupled with their menacing weapons, make for an unsettling and spine-tingling viewing experience.
Yo! Yo, Kevin! Come on, bro.
I think none of us here are prepared for this.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Welcome to Doorbell Hub.
Dude, what the heck?
A kid walks beneath an American flag and spots a scooter. He stops for a moment, processing what he just saw. What's a scooter doing there? It seems to have a magnetic pull of its own, because he ends up touching it and trying to move it. Then he walks away. But that's not the end of the story. Eventually, he comes back and takes the scooter away without a second thought or any remorse. At least there's a camera that captured everything. Goodbye, kid. Hopefully you'll at least put that scooter to good use, unless its owner manages to get it back. A woman waits at the top of a staircase, looking down below.
I am not interested in him. I am
Strange noises are coming from the room at the bottom of the stairs.
sick and tired of listening to these spirits. I am sick and tired of these people coming outside. How you doing? Did you say something to me?
The girl is back to her old tricks.
Can I help you?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
Did y'all say something to me?
No.
Okay.
Please don't knock on our door.
Cameras now record even when your trash is collected, just in case someone breaks your bin in front of your house. POV. You're about to watch someone steal a package in broad daylight. Okay, lady in the hat drops the package. Seems normal, right? Wrong. Watch this guy casually walk up like he owns the place. The confidence is actually impressive. Bro said, "Free delivery? Don't mind if I do." Not even a hesitation. Package secured by the wrong customer. Okay, what's he carrying? Wait, is that a crumble mat? He carefully sets it on the ground. Then he looks right at the camera. Bro even gives the camera a little signal. Then he starts taking pictures of the doorbell camera. Bro is literally photographing the camera. Then he walks away. Wait, never mind. He comes right back. Looks like he changed his mind. Picks the mat back up and leaves like nothing ever happened. This dog starts barking aggressively at the woman. Things escalate fast. And instead of backing away, she puts the stroller between herself and the dog. That's definitely a choice. Thankfully, the owner steps in. She gets the dog under control, and the situation finally calms down. Crisis avoided. What would you have done in this situation? She walks right up to the door, looks around, then presses the doorbell. No answer. She waits for a second. Still nothing. And then she suddenly takes off running. Well, that escalated quickly. She didn't stick around for long. The doorbell camera caught the whole thing. Why do you think she ran? Wrong answers only.